doesn't get much more interesting than the banana green custom dial, stroked from 6 to 12, giving it that vertical sunburst that we're having a look there. Getting my tongue tied up looking at this piece. It's so beautiful. I've been looking at this quite a lot and appreciating it. These case edges, the 7080, it's different from the 7000 Grammar of Design. This is a bit more rounder along the edges, and the case is just a touch huskier. And it doesn't have the dolphin hands. However, like the Grammar of Design, it does have that Batmobile style case kind of working there. You might be thinking, hey, where did you get that bracelet? Well, they are very, very difficult to find for the King Seiko, as well as Vintage Omega, because of the extra short end links. I was very fortunate that this solid link stainless steel piece here was in my collection. Very, very fortunate. Original crystal, freshly serviced. Medallion does have a small, tiny chip off the side right there. But it is a vintage watch, so I'll be a bit forgiving for that. Very nice piece and a nice bit of weight on this piece here. Brand new gasket. I can feel that gasket when I turn the crown. This piece might be waterproof, but we always respect the vintage pieces and keep them dry. We'll have a look at the day-date function here real quick. Freshly serviced piece. Fully checked out. All functions working all right. Any questions or comments, please don't be shy. Thanks.